In California, stationary emergency standby generators have specific tier rating requirements. These requirements primarily concern emission standards for generators used for backup power during power outages. If you're dealing with new or replacement emergency standby generators rated at 50 horsepower or greater and installed on or after January 1, 2010, they must meet Tier 4 final emission standards. For generators less than 50 horsepower, pre-Tier 4 standards apply. Tier 4 final engines are more fuel efficient and have significantly lower emissions than previous tier engines. It's important to note that generators must be certified by the California Air Resources Board, or CARB, to meet these standards. To summarize, firstly, new or replacement emergency standby generators rated at 50 horsepower or greater installed on or after January 1, 2010 must meet Tier 4 final emissions standards. Secondly, generators less than 50 horsepower are subject to pre-Tier 4 standards. Thirdly, all generators must be certified by CARB. You can find additional resources and information on the CARB website, including CARB tier rating information and tier rating certification search.